sobrang na. O dalawa, hindi nga makaintindi ng Tagalog. Ba't ka ba nakikialam mo na host? Oo. Yes, okay. Okay, 2 lines. Yeah, like that, like that. Okay. Ano, 2 lines, not the same. Like rose. Like this, rose. Yeah, pagalit ka. You speak Tagalog. That's good. Okay, like that. You're gonna follow my dance steps, okay? All you have to do, spread out. Ano ba din mo? Hirap ng English to school word. Yeah. You're gonna follow my dance steps. If you cannot follow my dance steps, I'm gonna give you a French kiss. Just follow, huh? Just follow for the sake of fun. Just follow for this event, for this party. We would like to make Risa happy tonight. That's the reason why I'm here. Okay, just follow. Very basic, sir. Not very basic. Just follow. What is your name? Philip. And how are you related to Risa? Yeah, okay, just your greetings. Happy birthday message.
Happy birthday, Miss.
Yes, happy birthday. How about you? How are you? Your tita or?
It's my tita.
Your tita. How old are you?
I'm 29.
29? You look 18. I'm not gonna apologize for looking at you. Because when I see your face, there's not a thing that I wanna change. Because you look amazing just the way you are. Yeah. And if the world is ending, I wanna be close to you. To hold you just for a while. And die with a smile. Yes, okay. Okay, huh? Okay. So, your message to Tita Dali.
Happy birthday, tita. Thank you, and let's just have some fun tonight.
Oh, that's so sweet message. Aww. So, that's it. Tell me something about how nice your tita is.
How nice is she? Very nice. She's always there since high school, you know, always took care of us when we were growing up.
Why
So.
didn't you pass my age?
Oh, you're very young. Very young.
Aww. Yes. Okay. So do you know her since you were like little?
High school.
High school? Aww. Yes. Alam mo, nakaligtas ka. Ayos ka. So, message for Mami Dali.
Happy birthday, Mom. Hope you have a good time tonight. Okay, thank you.
What is something that you don't remember about your mom? Always like a good cook or annoying or something like that.
She don't cook. She's not annoying, but she's always there.
Always good. Aww. So sweet. Okay. Okay. What's your name? Jay. Are you Filipino? Because you look like mixed Mexican. Yes, okay. So what is your message, Jay?
Happy birthday. Nice to
Mixed
see you.
mix.
Thank you. It's been a while.
Aww. Yes, okay. What is your name? Are you Filipino? Because you look Japanese. I like Japanese looking guys. Yes, okay. Speak Filipino? A little bit. So, you're Filipino but you don't speak Filipino. Where did you born? Matalino ka? Ha? Oo, matalino ka. Matalino ka. Mali pala. Mali. Wrong? Dapat birth, no? Where did you birth? Where did you birth? New York. Okay. Did you, what do you do here in LA?
I work here.
What's your work?
I work in IT.
Kaya rakota na. Message naman.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thanks for having all of us here. Super excited to see you after all this time.
You have a very beautiful, you have, just, where is your wife? Can you wipe her away?
Best wishes, yeah. Best wishes and congratulations.
Yes.
I should get credit with all this.
You're gonna get a discount. Okay. Oo. Ito hindi ka ko bibiruin kasi mukha ng Google Pay na makalaga. Yes. What is your name, sir? Tony, how are you making Teresa? Long time friend, one of the BFF. Your message, please.
Happy birthday, Lisa. More to come and stay healthy.
Of course,
Yes. Yes, okay. What is your name?
Ian,
Ian. How old are you?
17.
Oh. Yeah, don't tell your teacher, okay? Okay, you niloko mo. Okay, your message.
Happy birthday, Teresa. It's been a while, but good to see you again.
17 ka lang talaga. Gusto ko lang makaligtas sa Yes, okay. Hi, how are you? How are you? BTS, from BTS. The Korean pop superstar. Yes, okay. What is your name?
Jaden,
How old are you?
I am 19, but now 17.
Yes, okay. Message to Tita Dali.
Happy birthday. Happy 31st birthday.
Yes, okay. So everybody can see our dance steps. Can we move backwards? Okay, can we move backwards, sir, here? So everybody could see us. How you follow my dance steps? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to perform the most viral dance, Filipino dance in the world right now. It's called Hawak Mo Ang Beat. Follow me. This is easy, huh? Easy. Okay. Spread out more. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. The winner of this dance contest will receive a gift card from Salvation Army. That's it. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody applause.
Pagpasok mo pa lang, di na lang ang gawin.
Picture with Riza. Yes. Pa-picture naman. Tapos, Riza, who do you think is the winner of this dance? Huwag ko siyang piliin. Yes, okay. Okay, picture.